This completely remodeled brick home is in historic Melrose Heights in Columbia and features all new electrical and wiring, a new heating and air system, new ductwork, new energy-efficient windows, landscaping, and a new sidewalk. The front steps lead to a screened porch. The interior features newly refinished hardwood floors, new paint, smooth ceilings, some original moldings and hardware, and includes a living room with a fireplace and sconce lighting, and French doors that open to a formal dining room. Transoms and new light fixtures can also be found throughout the home. The kitchen features granite countertops, wood-stained cabinets, tile floors, all new stainless steel appliances including a built-in microwave, a smooth top range, a dishwasher, and refrigerator. There are 3 bedrooms with good-sized closets. The master bedroom has his and her closets and an updated private bath with new light fixtures, a granite vanity top, new cabinets, tile floors, plus a tub and shower with a tile surround. The other 2 bedrooms share an all-new hall bath with a granite vanity top and tile floors. The laundry is off of the hall and includes a stackable washer and dryer. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,400 square feet. Plus, it's convenient to USC, Midlands Tech, great shopping, restaurants, downtown, and the Vista. For more information, call Eric Simons with Keller Williams Realty at 803-629-4446.